Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson we're going to be reviewing grading settings in Civil 3D. Let's get started. In this exercise you'll learn how to use grading settings. Go ahead and open up your Grading-1 drawing in your tutorials folder and then navigate to your tool space and then click on the Settings tab. Next, right click on Grading and select Edit Feature Settings. In the Edit Feature Settings dialog box, expand the General section. I'm going to go ahead and move this column a little bit more. And then I want you to focus on the Save Command Changes to Settings portion. Now verify that this value is set to Yes. This setting saves command settings for reuse. Now for example, if you create a grading and set the grade to 5%, then 5% is the default value the next time you create a grading. Go ahead and scroll down until you get to this section right here. And we need to maximize the grade, slope, and grade slope. Notice the options for the unit format and precision. The integer value for precision specifies the number of digits to the right of the decimal place. Go ahead and click OK. So that's how you go about reviewing grading settings in Civil 3D. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil3Dtraining.com and be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.